So look, this one $15. This one in Spanish
The white one?
$6, and in English $7. So it's like $2 more.
The Giga has.
Look, there is a Gengar sticker.
I want it. I want it.
You want it? How much is it?
Buy this is this.
56. Oh, look, $5. What's that much? $5 por esa.
$5 is $6.
These Surgeon Sparks that we bought on the vending machine in Mexico.
I want Noco.
You want the bonitos?
No, the Noco bonito.
The pretty ones?
Yes. Something.
You can see something?
Yes.
Vamos a ver qué te leo. Míralo, que salió. Mira, flico.
Mismo este.
¿Ya lo tenemos?
Sí, este mismo, es más foto este.
Well, at least we got something like an X. I was expecting nothing good because maybe the guy from the vending machine, they weigh the packages and then just put the ones
Yeah, I want the
with less probability of having something good. But no, look, this has a lot of ink. Probably weighs more than the usual ones. I don't know. Yeah.